In this video, you'll learn how to use Moonpay to purchase Bitcoin. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you understand the process clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Moonpay website. You can do this by typing double.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the site loads, you will see a clean interface with options for buying and selling Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the highlighted section on the homepage that prompts you to buy Bitcoin. This section typically features a prominent button or link. Once you click on this highlighted area, the site will redirect you to the buying interface where you can initiate your transaction. After that, find and click on the button labeled Buy. This action will take you to the next step of the purchasing process, where you will be presented with various options for buying cryptocurrency. You will then need to select the option labeled Buy Crypto. This will direct you to a section that lists different cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Look for the option labeled Buy BTC and click on it to continue the process of buying Bitcoin. Once you are on the Bitcoin purchase page, click on the option that says Select Asset. This will allow you to choose which cryptocurrency you would like to buy. From the available assets, click on Popular Tokens to see the most commonly traded cryptocurrencies. Next, click on the option for Bitcoin. This action will confirm your choice and prepare the interface for you to enter the amount you wish to purchase. Type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in the designated input field. After entering the amount, click on the button labeled Continue with Bitcoin. This will proceed to the confirmation stage of your order, where you will review the details of your transaction. Now, look for the option labeled Confirm Order and click on it. This step is crucial as it verifies that you are ready to proceed with the purchase. A summary of your order will appear for your review. Next, click on the button that says Buy to finalize your purchase. At this point, the site may take a moment to process your order, so please wait for the confirmation message to appear on the screen. Following this, click on Pay With to choose your payment method. A message will prompt you to select how you would like to pay for your Bitcoin. Options may include various payment methods such as Apple Pay, debit card, or credit card. Choose your preferred payment method by clicking on the relevant option, such as Apple Pay. If you prefer to use a debit or credit card, simply click on those respective options to proceed with your payment. Once you select your payment method, a message will display the total amount to pay. This is your final chance to review the details before completing the transaction. Click on the button labeled Deliver to Welter to enter the wallet address where you want your Bitcoin sent. It is essential to ensure that you enter the correct wallet address to avoid any loss of funds. Finally, click on the button labeled Pay to complete your purchase. The transaction may take a few moments to process, so please be patient while the system confirms your payment. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.